So what are you making tonight for food, Alberto?
My wife is making pork steak fajitas.
Fajitas?
Fajitas.
Fajitas? Flour tortillas?
Flour tortillas.
In the circles?
Yeah, the balls. The balls. You're beautiful today. You're beautiful. Also, I like your outfit. I'm being honest. No matter what she wears, I want a fajita.
That's not making the video.
Definitely
So what are you making tonight for food, Alberto?
My wife is making pork steak fajitas.
Oh, that sounds great.
I'm just cutting up the mini sweet peppers. They're sweet, not spicy.
Andrea, what did you put in the meat?
Alberto seasoned
It's all funny, so wow.
salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder.
Always think against
What's that cooking in? Is that just oil?
neutral oil. Neutral oil, canola, vegetable, corn.
And what's this thing called?
So this? It's a Italian skillet.
What?
The Italian skillet.
Oh, okay.
I'm playing the long game. And if I give Carol her email, I feel like the game's a lot faster, you know? Yeah, me too.
Oh, I'm so glad you made it. Would you mind helping me set up some chairs?
So I'm gonna fajita these. All I'm doing is get them cooking up so I can slice them up, julienne them, and then throw in the veggies with it, do the stir fry.
Is the way you slice them what you mean by fajitaing them?
Hello, Rose and Sonia, you know. Oh, hi. And are you new? Normally we don't do
If you want them darker than this, you want them, darker, more fried looking. Take one out,
more chairs.
and then the heat will concentrate into one, and it'll start frying.
Sure.
Oh look, you see now there's one in there. It's gonna brown faster now. There's less liquid in there. There's more fat. It's gonna cook faster. It can burn. You gotta be careful.
And that's why you're watching it so closely.
So these pork steaks have a bone, similar to a T-bone steak. Has the T. It doesn't really have a T, but it has a bone right through the actual meat. Don't be scared of it. Cut around it. Alright, not very hard. The main meat is gonna be all the meat away from the bone. The meat close to the bone is the most tender of the meat. Okay. So the meat for the bone is this chunk right here. And there's a bone right there. So you gotta carve around it. It's a little work, but it's easy. And then this is a steak of the actual pork steak. Alright, it's a little tougher, but it's still gonna be delicious. It's where you put music and you accelerate the cutting.
Oh, now you're telling me how to produce the video? How to direct it?
I promise you that. So, once again, the other one, cut around the meat. That's the steak. This is the meat around the bone. Look at the bone on that one. Barely in. Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no, 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 no!
Right where all the dogs pee. What is a pickled serrano?
It's a hotter jalapeno. Just hotter. It looks smaller too. Little bad boy right here. Alright, before we put this in, we're gonna saute the meat first.
What are you doing?
The dough for the fajitas?
That's for the flour tortillas.
The flour tortillas?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You gotta let it
So you're gonna lay this out flat
It has to
and then cut it into circles?
Well,
So is it rising right now?
just pick it like mozzarella.
It's not rising, it's setting. It's not gonna rise.
Okay, got it.
This is so that it doesn't dry up from the top.
Are you gonna the ball sit too?
Guess who's on the coffee shop today?
We're gonna put the ball sit too. After your ball. For like 10 minutes. I probably won't say it there, but the one that I saw, they hooked to the rest, the balls. The same way you do right now.
Sure. That's right. You know, when they can read it sometimes.
Alright, leave, mate.
This one's gonna be small.
What are you doing here so late?
10 more minutes. Hey, you're in my workspace.
Is that it? Is that all that's gonna happen? It just browns and then it's done?
Well, it's supposed to inflate like that a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So that's good.
So once it inflates, then you're gonna put it on a plate.
I know that. Look at that. Apparently, having water out while cutting an onion, it absorbs the cry.
No, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
You have a better kitchen food. First, you can look up
'Done?
Yeah, what's yours?